U.S. equity futures are in the red on Tuesday. Economic data, earnings, and tax concerns are in the mix this morning. U.S. producer prices rose by 0.4% in October, while the core rate rose 0.2% for the third straight month. The gain in wholesale prices came despite soft energy prices. The 12-month rate of wholesale inflation was up 2.8%, while core PPI advanced by 2.3%. Meanwhile, U.S. President Donald Trump will conclude his trip in Asia today. Meanwhile, concerns over the timing of a tax reform deal added to uncertainty for the markets. In the previous session, U.S. indices closed higher on Monday, lifted by shares in the auto and components, utilities, as well as household and personal product sectors. 56% of S&P 500 constituents traded higher yesterday. Moving on to company news, General Electric had its biggest one-day fall in terms of share price since April 2009 in the previous session. New Chief Executive John Flannery outlined steps to turn the biggest U.S. industrial conglomerate into a smaller, more focused company. And moving on to earnings, Home Depot posted better than expected quarterly results. The home improvement chain reported a 7.9% increase in comparable store sales, above the consensus forecast. Home Depot also raised its full-year forecast. Now moving on to overseas markets, Asian markets were lower today. The Nikkei flat, the Hang Seng off 0.1%, and the Kospi down 0.15%. European indices are also losing ground today. Here in the U.S., the S&P 500 will be in the spotlight. Trading central analysts do prefer long positions above 25.77 with targets at 25.85.5 and 25.89.5. As for the Nasdaq, limited upside is expected, and for the Dow Industrials, a rebound is forecast.